Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong new moon in Cancer na mangyayari sa July 6, 2024, 6:57 ng umaga. So, if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. So, alam naman natin, ang new moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new pathways, new inspiration. So, this is also one of the best times to manifest yung mga goals mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. Parang magkakaroon ng reset na, okay, ito yung gusto kong ma-achieve for this month. So, the new moon will also help you make that happen. Okay? So, for you, Libra, ang new moon ay mangyayari sa inyong 10th house of your career. Ayan, yung career, trabaho, business ninyo, if you have a business. So, this is a positive energy for you kasi maaring may mga bago kang ideas, creative ideas on how to make more money through your career path. Venus is also in your 10th house right now, which is the planet of love, beauty, aesthetics, money, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mga susubukang bagong trabaho, business, or career na pwedeng related sa health and beauty, health and wellness, or investments, finances, no? This makes sense kasi meron siyang positive aspect sa iyong 8th house, which is Mars is there, no? Mars is the planet of action, your initiation. So, ito kasing Cancer energy is a cardinal sign, which is about a pioneer energy, someone who wants to start something new. So, talagang medyo pump up ka ngayon for a new beginning. Oo. So, talagang, iba sa inyo, this is a new beginning for a business, investments, no? Maaring magta-try ka ng mag-invest ngayon sa kahit na ano, na sa tingin mo will bring more income sa'yo. And it also has a positive aspect sa 6th house, which is your daily routine, yung work mo, no? Yung mga pang-araw-araw mong ginagawa. Syempre, daily routine rin natin is to work, is to create money. So, meron ditong aspect ang Saturn. And Saturn right now is in retrograde. So, it means that it's time for you to reassess the situation, to review kung ano pa yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin, i-accomplish para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals and dreams mo, yung mga tina-target mo na mga goals for your career or your business. Kasi pwedeng meron kang mga unhealthy habits na nakakaapekto or nagbo-block sa pag-achieve mo ng goal mo eh. So ngayon you are really reassessing na okay, baka itong habit ko na to is hindi makakabuti for my career, so hindi ko na to gagawin, iiwasan ko na. So things like that. So you are becoming more aware of your surroundings, of your situation. And another thing, mas magiging conscious ka na rin sa iyong kalusugan. Oo, kasi Venus is also about your health, your wellness, and this is also in your 6th house. So, merong trine siya. So, parang merong pagtutulungan dito. So, kung ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin sa kalusugan mo, you are taking steps, no? Finally taking steps to fix it or ayusin and to finally to become more healthier, no? Pagkakaroon ng healthy habits. Especially kung nung mga nakaraan naka-experience ka ng kumbaga parang binigyan ka ng lesson, oo, na ayan kasi lagi mo pa rin ginagawa yan. O, whatever that is na alam mong bawal sa'yo or hindi nakakabuti sa kalusugan mo. So, finally, you are gearing towards being more disciplined, no? Mas nadidisiplina mo yung sarili mo ngayon. Let's see what else for you, Libra. Okay, you have the Hierophant. So, this is energy ng Taurus. Maaaring meron kang leadership role ngayong magsisimula na leadership role kasi it's focused on your career, no? Your 10th house. Or mentorship. So, maaring meron tao na magme-mentor sa'yo, boss mo, or someone like a coach or trainer na willing na mag-share ng knowledge and skills sa'yo. Wow, you have the tower. The Four of Swords. Oh, okay. So, I think, Libra, uh, ito yung time na marirealize mo talaga that there has to be, parang kailangan may magbago pagdating sa iyong mga routine na alam mong hindi nakakabuti para sa'yo. Let's say for example, example lang naman, sa kalusugan ninyo, no? Halimbawa, alam niyo naman na bawal sa inyo yung ganitong pagkain or yung ganitong habit, pero hindi niyo pinapansin. So, maari kasi yan na biglang, ayan, makaka-experience ka ng challenges sa kalusugan mo dahil dun sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo or hindi mo ginagawa para maging maayos yung kalusugan mo. That can be the tower moment for you. And kumbaga ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng lesson na, ayun na nga sabi nga pagbigay ng focus at attention sa health mo So, yeah. So, I think this is also about recuperation, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, kung nagkaroon talaga ng challenges sa inyong health, kayo ay babawi, no? Kayo ay magpapahinga, magpapagaling, no? A time for healing as well. So you have the Four of Wands. So this is stability, happiness. May mga events na meron kang isa-celebrate. This can be a celebration sa iyong trabaho, sa career mo. Meron kang na-achieve, like what I mentioned kanina, leadership role for some of you. Pwedeng merong celebration sa workplace, may recognition. Yung iba, meron kayong mako-close na deal sa inyong business or investments. If you are into real estate, pwede rin yan na meron kayong mako-close na deal. So, it's time for a celebration rin for you, Libra. So, let's see what else you have. Yeah, you have the Sun. The Sun is about positive outlook in life, no? Bright outlook. So, I think meron kang mga parang may na-envision ka na nakikita mo na ano yung future ahead of you, and I think this is inspiring you to do better. Okay? So, I think meron ding good luck para sa inyo, no? Sa mga new opportunities, new beginnings ninyo sa career or sa business ninyo. You have Gentleman. So this is an energy of a masculine energy, a male energy in your life. This can be your mentor or someone na confident mo na siya yung nilalapitan mo for advice, for guidance. Dalawa, okay, gentleman rin. So I feel like there are some people who really guide you, no? Kumbaga, meron ka na pagkakatiwalaan. Oo. For guidance. And then you have the ring. Oh, the ring is this is blessings, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo may commitment na papasukin. This can be romantic connection. But for some of you, this is a commitment sa trabaho. It's like a responsibility. No? Lalo na kung meron ka talagang leadership role for your work, for your career. Let's see what else. It's time to take action. Yes. So I think this is kung may issue ka sa health mo, it's time to take action to fix it, no? Na mag-focus, alagaan ang sarili. Look at the bigger picture. So I think ngayon mas nagiging malawak yung pananaw mo. You're becoming more mature, understanding, and patient, no? Sa mga actions na gagawin mo. And before you decide, you will really make sure na nakita mo na yung kumbaga nakita mo na yung ins and outs nung area na pagdidesisyonan mo. Kumbaga, Kaya nga meron kang mga taong ikukonsulta or mga taong mag-guide sa'yo for you to be able to have this best possible decision. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!